In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to keep leading zeros in Google Sheets. You might have noticed that when you try to type numbers like 001 in Google Sheets, it automatically changes to 1, dropping those zeros that might actually be important for your data. But don't worry, I'm here to guide you through 2 simple methods to ensure your numbers keep their format just the way you need them to. Let's dive into the first method. To start, you want to add an apostrophe before you type your number. Begin by clicking on the cell where you intend to enter this number. Once you've clicked, go ahead and type an apostrophe followed by your number. For example, 001. Now, when you press Enter, you'll notice something interesting. The cell will display 001 exactly as you typed it. The apostrophe won't be visible in the cell's view, but it plays an important role. It signals Google Sheets to interpret the entry as text rather than a number, thus preserving the zeros. This is particularly useful when dealing with identifiers or codes that must maintain their full format. Just remember, the apostrophe is a neat little shortcut that turns your number into text, securing your leading zeros in place. The second method involves a slight change in cell formatting. This approach offers more flexibility, especially if you're dealing with a batch of cells. Begin by selecting the cell or cells where you're planning to input your numbers. Once selected, navigate to the menu bar at the top of the screen and click on Format. Inside the Format menu, hover over Number, which will reveal a submenu. There, choose Plain Text. This action tells Google Sheets to treat whatever you type into the selected cells as plain text. With this setup, go ahead and type your number like 001 and then press Enter. You'll see that it stays exactly as 001 without dropping back to a single 1. This method is great for inputting a series of numbers without having to add an apostrophe each time. It's worth noting that formatting cells to plain text might change the way other numerical data is processed in these cells, so be mindful of how you're using your sheet. Both methods have their unique advantages. The first method is a quick fix for individual entries, while the second offers a more extensive solution for multiple cells. Choose the one that best fits your needs. Whether you're working with zip codes, product IDs, or any numerically formatted data, these techniques ensure you maintain that critical formatting in Google Sheets. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, and leave a comment if you have any questions or need further clarification on this topic.